Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the papers, adhesive, and tools you actually need. Use 80-120 GSM paper so pages stick, but peel cleanly. Cut sheets to your chosen final note size using a ruler and craft knife. Once cut, stack tightly and score the spine with a bone folder to help alignment later. Apply a thin, even line of repositionable glue along one short edge. Make sure to leave a 1-2 mm margin so sheets don't glom together. Clamp, or once the initial adhesive is tacky, add a second thin coat across the spine to build holding power. Wait 5-10 minutes and inspect tackiness. After the final coat cures to a repositionable bond, trim the outer edges of the stack so all sheets are flush and even. Use a straight edge and sharp blade for a clean cut. To finish, glue a 10-15 mm cover strip over the spine, folding slightly onto the front and back for reinforcement. This keeps the notes aligned and prevents peeling at the edge. At the finish, test the book by peeling a few sheets from different spots. They should lift cleanly without ripping. If sheets stick too much, sand the spine lightly with fine sandpaper and reapply an even thinner glue coat. If sheets fall off, add a thin extra adhesive layer and clamp longer. Make sure to let the book cure for 24 hours before heavy use and store it flat away from heat and humidity. This simple check keeps your homemade sticky notes reliable and long-lasting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.